Hi folks, so today we're going to talk about Sanjay Saraf's CFA course review. So his CFA course is listed in ULURN and SSEI. It cost a lot, I think around 30k, and I had the money and the time only to buy quants, and that is what I needed the most. So this review is going to be Sanjay Saraf's CFA quants classes review, which is costed around 7 to 8k or 9k right now. I took the classes, I studied them, and I'm going to tell you what mistakes I made and what mistakes you can make before buying these classes so that you can save your precious money and time. So the biggest disclaimer before buying the classes, I want to tell you these classes are too long. Too long meaning each class is about 2 to 3 hours, and there are review classes, and the classes are too long. So please guys, purchase these classes only if you have ample time for your exams to study them. This is not app for CFA quants, but for all this CFA class Sanjay Saraf, because his classes are just long. Meaning I was doing my articleship in KPMG. It was full-time job, plus it was COVID, so I was staying, like, going to clients' place sometimes, and I was studying for CA, and then I had like no time to watch his classes. And plus, remember, if his classes are 90 hours long, you have to spend equal time to revise them, learn them, solve the questions. So it's gonna take more time than just watching the classes. You have to spend time revising. So his classes are too damn long. If you have less time for your exams, don't even try it, man. Don't even like buy it, because you won't finish the classes. This happened to me because I was working hard, like crazy amount of hours in KPMG. Then I had to switch job for industrial training and Amazon, so I have to prepare, and that took a huge amount of time in my schedule, and I literally had no time to watch the classes in the end. So I had to just stop watching classes because I literally had no time. So first disclaimer is, it is going to take a lot of time. All these CFA classes, a lot of time. First, the second one would be, second one which really annoyed me was some of his, all or most of lectures are old, quite old, meaning like recorded 2-3 years back, and he's just gonna repackaging and selling them. So okay, it's a good business strategy, record once and sell it again. But as you all know, CFA is a huge market, right? And like, he is the people say the best CFA teacher in India. So why not record classes every year, man? Does not make sense. Yeah, the syllabus has changed, so he has recorded new classes for the new topics, but the old topics are still there. So this is what something annoyed me. Like, all of the classes are quite old. Quite old. This is like disappointing in my view, because from a teacher's view, because if there are a lot of students buying classes, why not record it every year and make them fresh with fresh concepts, fresh news? Yeah, classes are good, but still it could have been better because syllabus changes some little by little. Third one would be that I just don't like is like too much handwritten notes. This is too much amount of handwritten notes. Like, he will keep on talking and you have to keep on writing, and this is something which annoys me because I have less time here. I don't have time to keep on writing the notes. Okay, explain the concept, I got it. Just give me the damn notes. I'll read it. I'll revise it when I have to revise it. Why do I have to write it that time? This is something which annoys me. If you have time and if you like writing when someone dictates, it's good for you, but I don't. So that wastes a lot of time for me. So yeah, so summing up, long classes, old classes mixed with new ones, and like too much handwritten notes, which I don't like. We have to write. He's not giving handwritten. We have to write. So I don't like. The fourth one, it's too costly, yo. For one subject, it's like 8k for just one part of one CFA. Yeah, you can compare it with like SFM, which is in 18, 19, but SFM is a whole subject. This is like part of a subject. Like, you have cons, you have ethics, you have this, you have that, you have club, everything is 30k. So I find it too expensive. That too for old classes recorded 2 years back, it's too expensive. Meaning, if you record it every year, I can understand, like, okay, you're like recording it and then it's costing you, but it costed you long back, and now you're just repackaging. And good business strategy, but didn't like it. Yeah, old classes so huge. Lower the price, man, a little bit. Now let's talk about how other classes. Okay, enough of bullshitting someone. Let's talk about how all the classes. So the classes are really good. Meaning, he has explained each concept very well, in depth, properly, and he goes into in detail which topic, and he'll give a lot of good examples, real life examples. If you're in touch with market examples, those will really drill down the concept. Be it with quants and other subjects as well. Like, his explanation is another level, best. Like 10 out of 10. I don't even like, no one can even beat him in explaining finance and quants concept, be it probability, be it hypothesis testing, be it sample intervals and statistics. Best 10 out of 10, I'll say. The second is sums. Yeah, he gives you a PDF book which has a lot of sums. He solves a lot of sums, and that is great. Like, sums are actually, there's no point solving it in like rough. You just need the answers, MCQ based questions, right? So yeah, he solves a lot of questions, a lot of concepts. Yeah, but in my opinion, he could do that more, because I feel that most of the sums come later on like okay, after TVM is finished and then the classes come, so that could come a little early, but yeah, it's fine. Like he solved a lot of sums, that is great. So good explanation, a lot of sums, that's good. Books is in PDF, so no printout and all that hassle. You can watch in your tab or laptop, so that saves a lot of time, and you can highlight and put sticky notes in the PDF itself. That's a lot of time. The fourth one would be understandability. Yeah, like connect with the first point. Like he explains so well that each concept will be understood properly, and of course you're wasting so much time writing the notes. So if you can read your notes again, and then your topic will be drilled down. Also, he gives a lot of review classes, like if like TVM, time value of machine, time value of money. Sorry, time value of money. Time value of money is finished. So the review class, or a technical analysis, the review class. So review class you can watch it later on. In the like after things get over, after you like want to revise the subject, you can watch TVM review later on, or technical analysis later on. Technical analysis is not a part of quants, but because he teaches old syllabus, it is part of quants. That's what about it. It is a good class. Like if you are weak in quants, if you don't know anything what's happening, you're like clueless, you're scared shitting your pants, then go for his classes if you have time. But if you have time, go for his classes, pay the money, watch all the classes with dedication and discipline, make notes, handwritten notes, and it'll help you, of course help you, rather than you watching YouTube with him trying to skim it. Don't do it if you are not good at quants. If you have like, but me personally, 11th 12th, no no quants, no maths. After college, no math, just cheated and passed. So, and CA foundation also just passed barely, 41 marks. So me and maths not gel together. So if you're not good at maths, go for it, man. I'm saying just close your eyes. If you have time, money, pay it, and just do dedication, and you'll have good marks in quants. Disclaimer: practice enough. Peace out. Take care, guys.